my first question is, at Liberty Science Center, we like to talk a lot about matter. Do you guys know what matter is? Or what a scientist saying?
Any substance that has weight and mass or something?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, anything, it's mass and volume actually. Anything that weighs something and takes up space. So we also, a simple way of thinking about it is anything that's made out of stuff.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Is air matter?
Yep.
You think so?
Yeah.
We can actually do experiments to prove it. So question number 1, does air take up space? I usually tell all the kids, take a deep breath and don't let it out. And then take another one. And another one. Can you do that forever? Too much slow. And then second one, does air weigh something? Do you guys know how much air pressure is pressing on you right now?
Probably 1,000,000 pounds.
Oh.
If we add it all up, it's a lot actually. Because a space this big is about 1 square inch. So everywhere on your body you can put 1 inch. There's 15 pounds of air pressing on you. That's like this. 15 pounds. Maybe we're this big. The reason we're not crushed by that air pressure is we're in something called equilibrium. We have all the air pressing on us, and everything inside of our bodies is actually pushing back. So when you have 2 forces pushing against each other, like if you do this with your hands, nothing happens, right? No matter how hard you push, if they're the same in opposite directions, nothing happens. So my first experiment is to see what would happen if we took all the inside stuff out, if we just had the air pressing. I can't do that with people, not that good. So I like to use my friend Mr. Soda Can right here. So here's my friend. He's going. Just want me to small head for these. Okay, no soda. Is this empty?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's
Yep.
full of air.
Good, it's full of air, just like us. Air on the inside, air on the outside. Equilibrium, all right? So I'm actually gonna get rid of the air, and then I'm gonna use water to help me. So I put a little bit of water in here. And then I'm gonna heat it up
Oh, I know what she's gonna do.
to create steam. The steam will push all the water out of the can. And then to cover up the top so that the air can't go back inside, I'm just gonna stick it upside down into that water, just to keep the air from rushing back inside. So just give it a second until you see some steam coming out.
I see some steam.
Anything yet?
A little bit, yeah.
Not quite, a little bit.
Oh yeah, there you go.
There we go, okay. We get really good, a lot of steam. I'm gonna push all the air out, so all that's left in here is a tiny bit of water. And we can see the effect of the air pressure in this room. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
What did I say? Did I not say it? I called it.
Oh, that's cool. It's not pop. Oh, it didn't. No.
The same
Okay.
thing. It's stronger.
You know what this means?
Oh, I think I know what it means.
It's time for a science joke. My soda went flat. What happened?
But flat soda
They
takes
wanted it
the
more air inside, but they couldn't, so it just like
All the air
sucked
compressed.
up all the air.
Yeah, there was no air inside, but where was there air?
outside.
And it's pressing from every direction, right? Exactly. So remember, 15 pounds. How many of these can we fit on here? This is a square inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10. What's 10 times 15?
150.
150. If we dropped 150 pounds on this, if you drop 150 pounds on this, is this what would happen?
Oh, that's what okay.
Pretty much, right? Over 150 pounds of air pressure. Just crush this can.
I'm 150
Just like
pounds.
that. Anybody think they're stronger than air?
No.
No?
If air had a weight, we'd be crushed by it.
We won't because of all the stuff inside our bodies pushing back. But if we took all the stuff out of us, yes, we'd be just like Mr. Soda Can.
Ooh.
So we wouldn't have to wear body cons.
So air pressure is also how these guys work.
I was like,
Giant
I
suction
thought.
cups. Giant suction cups. Which work just like our last experiment. If we have air inside and air